Okay, so I'm here with a legend, Mr. Tom Cummins. My friend, my partner, one of my mentors. Tom, what are we doing over here, man?
Well, first of all, we're on this beautiful boat. We're on literally the world's largest catamaran. It is just massive. It's probably built for, I don't know, you probably put 200 people on there and they would get lost, but there's only 6 of us in our party. So you can imagine how luxurious that is. So we're on holiday.
Yeah, we're gonna be scuba diving in 50-degree weather.
Okay, now I think the water's 50 degrees and the air is it's freezing. But thank God for wetsuits, baby. That's all I can say.
It's beautiful out here. Anyways, I'm convincing Tom that we're gonna help him get his message out there because this guy is the definition of a badass.
There you go.
And he's built hundreds of millions of dollars a year corporations, billions of dollars in revenue.
Yeah.
And he has a lot of success behind him. And
Yeah.
he's self-made every step of the way.
That's right.
Tom, we should do it.
We're gonna do it. No, actually, Manuel was telling me about it today. It's like I've never really looked at myself as anything other than just a hardworking individual. And he talked me into putting together the website and getting all my social media accounts up and going and stuff like that. And so I'm gonna be coming to the world next to you. Thanks to this guy.
And also, I don't know if you know this, but there's a marketing company that that you happen to now own.
Yes,
also,
I do.
You're a partner in, and they're pretty good at it.
No, I think they're actually freaking brilliant. So AGM is, one of my dreams come true of being able to I'm a master of marketing and the style that I do, picking up the phone, calling someone, talking to them, and closing them to go do something and getting into this digital world that has become such a mainstay of our society and the way that these guys have mastered it. And I was so damn impressed by it. I asked Manuel, can I play? Can I be part of this? Can I I come from an era where that ability to talk to people was everything. And now to be able to bring that communication on a digital format, these guys have mastered it. And now it's how to take these messages and work with my old world skills, his new world skills. I think it's going to be very successful, babe.
And here's the exciting thing. What we've done for Dr. Berg, what we've done for my father, what we've done for a lot of these guys, we got to do it for this guy right here.
There you go.
All right? Tom, what is the number one advice that you would give to somebody that's trying to start from scratch a business? How do you succeed in this environment today?
Well, dude, there's nothing going to replace hard work, okay? I mean, I've never found anything to be easy, to be very honest with you. I'm still building businesses to this day, and I put in 15-hour days, and I tell you something, guys, I'm a very wealthy person, and I don't have to work. But for me, I don't want to use the word honor, but I like to work. I enjoy it. So then if you don't like to work, then you're fucked, okay? You gotta be willing to actually, they call it elbow grease, whatever you want to call it. You need to get in there and put in your effort to make things happen. I know this guy works like an animal, right? But we love what we do. So that would have to be, look, every one of you watching this video, you have potential, right? And you need to be able to be willing to do what it takes to get that potential out there into the world. And that's got to be number one for you. If you're not willing to put forth the effort, just stay home, okay? You're getting in the way. But those of you that you are willing to put into work, then there's things that we could talk about, man, because there's things that you have to do, like having someone properly market you, put your message out there into the masses. That's what he does for a living, and they do a brilliant job at it, guys. You've got to get out to the masses.
Well, now Tommy's helping us, and we're stepping to a whole new level. So, anyways, watch out. It's coming. Tom Cummins content. The world is going to enjoy it. All right?
Love it.
Let's go.
Thanks, Lawrence.